Every day a problem, and today's problem is going to be solved with a whop chop. Right, so yesterday's problem was I've ordered a new audio recording set up because I've been having some problems, hence why the audio in the tool video was so bad. Well, that turned up and one of the units was broken, so I had to return it, which the new one's arriving today, but it's going to arrive so late today it's going to be no use to me until... But as I say, every day a new problem, and I have a big new problem, and that's why I need this. So the weather's been pretty bad the past few days, some pretty strong winds. Yeah, one of our trees basically came down last night, and this is the first time I've actually walked up to it, and damn, that's quite a bit bigger than I was expecting. I came out with this. I mean, I'd like to get it down. That's what I would like to do. Might as well just go for it. Whop chop away. Told you I get it. There you go, that's the thick end that snapped off. It's very heavy because it's very green. There's all of that. And the main branch. And then the pile. All I can say is, determination will get you a long way. However, a chainsaw is going to be required. There you go, one man versus a tree with a whop chop. That's what I've been up to today. Bye bye.